Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very easy and fancy party hairstyle for girls. First of all, take some loose hair from the right side and make braid. After making this much of braid, take some loose hair from the left side and attach them in the braid and continue making the braid. At the end, tuck the braid with the help of a pin. Now take some loose hair from the left side and make the braid. Similarly, take some loose hair from the right side and indulge them in the braid and continue making braid. Follow the same pattern by taking the braid again to the left hand side and taking some more loose hair from the left side and zigzag this pattern and continue making braids this way. As you can see how beautiful this design is turning out. Make sure that you tuck the braid while making the other braid with the pin. Finally, at the end, release the hair from the pin and attach them with the beautiful rubber band. So friends, here I am using fancy pearl clips or pearl pins to highlight the design. This is very simple and very beautiful design, especially for girls. Do try this design. In this video, I am going to show you a very easy hairstyle for your medium length hair. First of all, comb your hairs and make sure that there are no frizz. Take half of your hair and tie them with the help of a rubber band, this way. Make a ponytail and roll your hairs inside your ponytail. Repeat the process. Now take some loose hairs from the left and right side and tie them together with the help of a rubber band. Repeat the same process as we did for the first ponytail. Make sure your ponytails are tight. comb your hairs once again and take some hairs from the left and right side and once again tie them together with the help of a rubber band. This way. As you can see, our 3 half ponytails are ready. Now comb the loose hairs and tie them all together with the help of a rubber band. As you can see, here we have 4 ponytails are ready. Now at the end, place a thick rubber band in your ponytail and carefully roll some loose hairs around the thick rubber band. Make sure that the entire thick rubber band is covered with loose hairs. To give a fancy look to this Juda, I am using pearl or flower pins. And to tighten the Juda, make sure that you use hair clips or hair pins. So here we have very easy and very fancy parlor style medium length hair Juda at home. In this video, I am going to show you a very easy and daily routine hairstyle that you can use in any gathering or any party as well. This is very easy and it gives you a very trendy and fancy look as well. First of all, make sure that you comb your hair well. Now, here I am using a plastic banana clip or Juda maker. Now gently roll your loosened hair in this clip and tie it at its end. Roll your hairs and gently roll it on upward side and lock it. To secure the lock, you can use Juda pin or any other hair clip. To give a fuller look to this hairstyle, spread your hairs evenly around the juda. Make sure that you tuck the hairpin properly at the clip, as you can see. Now lose some hairs to give a fuller look to this juda as well. So here we have our very easy, very trendy hairstyle is ready. Do try this. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe.